Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a shaky video using this feature on Android phone. So if you have any Android phone and you want to stabilize a shaky video, you can just go to the Google Photos. So first make sure that your library is connected to the Google Photos. So here I'm going to click on the Google folder and then go to Photos. Then just find the videos that you want to fix. For example, I got this videos right here. You can see the video is a little bit shaky, so you can just click on this edit at the bottom of the video, and here these icons right here is the feature where you can stabilize your video. So you can just click on this button. Now you can see the Google Photos with will stabilizing the videos. You can just wait until it's done. So by using this, you don't need to download a third-party app or a video editor apps if you don't want to. So now it's done. Here you can just click on save copy to save the video that has been stabilized. You can see the preview in here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.